Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up buy and sell on TradingView. First, navigate to the trading panel located at the bottom of your chart interface. Here, you'll find options to manage your trades. Next, identify the brokerage accounts section. This is where you'll connect your external trading accounts. Make sure your TradingView profile is fully verified to enable live trading functionality. This initial step is crucial for executing any buy or sell orders. Once in the brokerage account section, you'll see a list of supported brokers. Choose your preferred one, like Interactive Brokers or Onda. You'll then be prompted to securely log in using your existing brokerage account credentials. It's vital to grant TradingView the necessary permissions to execute trades on your behalf. This establishes the direct link, allowing you to manage your positions directly from the platform. With your broker connected, you can now place orders. Simply click the Buy or Sell button, which appears prominently on your chart or within the trading panel. You'll then select your desired order type, a market order for immediate execution, a limit order to set a specific price, or a stop order to manage risk. Finally, specify the exact quantity of shares or contracts you wish to trade before confirming. TradingView offers advanced features to enhance your strategy, such as bracket orders for automated profit-taking and stop-loss, or trailing stops that adjust with price movement. Always monitor your open positions and review your order history directly within the platform to track performance. Also, for more financial wisdom, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Remember to practice with a demo account first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.